Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best wireless home security systems in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these wireless home security systems, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit, 2nd Gen. Alarm system shoppers searching for a comprehensive wireless home security solution should give the 14-piece kit from Ring Alarm a look. This kit comes with enough devices for most 2 to 4 bedroom homes, and setting up is incredibly simple. Just download the app, plug in the base station, connect it to Wi-Fi, and then install the sensors. This kit comes with 8 entry sensors, 2 keypads, 2 motion sensors, the base station, and a loud siren to startle intruders and alert the residents. The Ring Alarm app functions with Alexa, allowing you to arm and disarm with voice commands. The app also sends notifications to phones to keep users in the loop. But if notifications aren't enough, the monthly fees for monitoring are affordable. Also, the Ring base offers both Wi-Fi and cellular signaling, as well as a battery backup for power outages. Number 2. SimpliSafe 12-Piece Wireless Home Security System. When it comes to a comprehensive system with a simple setup, SimpliSafe's 12-piece wireless home security system is worth checking out. This set comes with 5 entry sensors for doors or windows, 2 motion sensors, a panic alarm, a keyless remote, the base station with the built-in siren, and a 1080p camera. Setting up the SimpliSafe system is straightforward. After plugging in the base station and downloading the app, users can program individual sensors using the keypad or the app. Also, SimpliSafe is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Users will be able to access the system, including the camera, from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. This system functions on both cellular and Wi-Fi and features a battery backup, ensuring the home is always secure. Also, if monitoring is a desire, monthly rates are affordable. Number 3. SimpliSafe 8-Piece Wireless Home Security System. Not all alarm system shoppers need a full-blown system. For those that would prefer a light but capable wireless home security system, SimpliSafe's 8-piece wireless home security system fits the bill. This kit includes 4 entry sensors, a siren, the base station, the keypad, and a panic button, offering a solid foundation for a modular alarm system. This system from SimpliSafe utilizes the company's easy setup, requiring the user to download the app, plug in the base station, and add devices with the keypad or app. Also, SimpliSafe works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to integrate with smart home technology. But if the app isn't enough, SimpliSafe also offers affordable rates for monitoring. Number 4. Blink Outdoor Wireless HD Security Camera. For those who would prefer to monitor their homes with cameras or add cameras to an existing smart home system, Blink Home Security's Blink Outdoor Camera System might be just the ticket. This set comes with 3 wireless, weather-resistant cameras with HD recording, offering visual coverage over large properties. It also comes with a sync module for linking the cameras to Wi-Fi. And with infrared night vision and up to 2 years of life on 2 AA batteries, which are included, there's really no sacrifice over a wired kit. Using the Blink Home Monitor app, users can access their security cameras in real time as well as speak to visitors with 2-way audio. Setup is simple as well, requiring the user to plug in the sync module, download the app, and connect it to Wi-Fi. Once connected, the Blink Outdoor system will operate with Alexa, giving users the ability to access their cameras on Amazon-connected devices with their voices. Number 5. EUFY Security 5-Piece Home Alarm Kit. For those who would prefer to avoid monthly monitoring fees but would still like to protect their homes, EUFY Security 5-Piece Home Alarm Kit is an attractive option. This kit comes with EUFY's home base station, a motion sensor, and 2 entry sensors, offering a high-quality system to build on. With the EUFY Security app, users have full control over their alarm system, offering real-time, self-monitoring capabilities. The EUFY app sends alerts upon alarm activation, giving the user the option to call the authorities or not all without a monthly fee. Also, users can program custom protection modes, offering adjustable sensitivity for motion sensors, activating certain devices, and more. Should a bigger system be necessary, EUFY offers cameras, additional entry sensors, and more as additional purchases.